The Austin and Dempster mass spectrometers are two different types of mass spectrometers that were developed in the early 20th century. They have distinct differences in design, resolution, sensitivity, and applications. The Austin mass spectrometer, also known as Ashton's mass spectrograph, is a sector mass spectrometer. It is used for gaseous state sample. It utilizes an electric field to separate ions based on their mass-to-charge ratio. This design was primarily used for measuring the relative abundances of ionic species and studying electron impact processes in gases. However, it lacked the capability for precise mass measurements. On the other hand, the Dempster mass spectrometer, developed by A. Dempster, is a magnetic sector mass spectrometer. Is it used for the samples that are in solid state? It employs a combination of electric and magnetic fields to separate ions. Compared to the Austin mass spectrometer, the Dempster instrument typically offers higher resolution, allowing it to distinguish between ions with similar mass-to-charge ratios more effectively. It also tends to have higher sensitivity, enabling the detection and measurement of low levels of ions. The Dempster mass spectrometer has found applications in areas such as environmental analysis and isotopic analysis. In summary, while the Austin mass spectrometer was suitable for relative abundance measurements and electron impact studies, the Dempster mass spectrometer excelled in higher resolution and sensitivity, making it more versatile for various scientific and analytical applications.